Uy, wala na ginawa ko, di tumawa. I'm going to do my first tag with my first child. Kilala niyo ba to? This is Jaya. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. We are tagged by Little Miss Ems. Ilalagay ko yung link dun sa description box below. Okay, so let's begin. Question number 1. First tweet.
Hindi ako nag-tweet. Seryoso.
I can't remember my first tweet, pero yung first tweet ko yata is something, meron akong share na video. Yun yata yung first tweet ko. I guess. First Facebook profile picture.
Ito yung profile picture ko. Basta nakasangay ako sa Mini Cooper.
Yan. Sigurado kayo nang ilalagay ko. Paano kayo ba nilagay ko dyan? Ako naman is here. This is my first Facebook profile picture. Don't judge my kilay, okay? First YouTube video.
Wala.
My first YouTube video ko is...
How to not look like a lotion.
Oh, alam niya. How to not look like a lotion. At yung quality niya is sobrang... So, if you haven't watched my first video ever,
Link below.
first person you subscribe to on YouTube.
Siyempre, si Mama.
Thank you, baby! Ang first person that I subscribe to is Panlasang Pinoy. Ang layo niya sa beauty, ano? So, yeah. Mahilig ako magluto, pero kung
Do you still talk to your first love? Yes.
Who is your first love?
Wala. Ayoko sabihin.
You have a first love already?
Hindi.
Yun ang sagot mo nung una sa akin, na. Sabi mo, yes. Yun una mo sagot sa akin, diba? Sabi mo, yes, of course. My mommy, ano yung sabi mo?
Yes, of course. My mommy and daddy.
Yan, ayusin mo yung sagot mo, ha? Tigil-tigilan mo yung first love mo. Anyway, ako naman, yeah, my first love is my parents. Siyempre, kailangan iyak mo ako yung sagot ko sa sagot ng anak ko eh. Okay.
Parents mo lang.
Parents ko, my first love.
Hindi mo yung anak mo.
Hindi, siyempre before ka pa dumating. Before pa dumating sa buhay ko si Papa, ang first love ko yung parents ko.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
And then God.
Wait lang. Si Mama Joyce.
Magkwentuhan na lang tayo. Sige, serious na yung, nag-gets ko naman yung questions eh, regarding sa first love. So, my first love is my husband. Believe it or not, yung papa niya. Yun lang. Yun siya ang first love ko. Kasi iba yung love dati eh. Parang iba talaga yung love kapag ka mag-asawa na kayo, doon mo marirealize na wala lang pala yung mga tinuturing mong love dati. Pag nagsama na kayo, doon yung matetest. Don't laugh! This is serious! Pag nagsama na kayo, doon yung matetest yung pagsasama nyo, yung matetest nyo yung love for each other. So, nung nag-asawa ako, nung nakasama ko yung asawa ko, si Kids, siya yung first love ko. Doon ko na-realize na yun yung first love ko. No? So, yung mga love ko dati is like past love na not really love. Okay. I don't know if you get me. What was your first alcoholic drink?
Tad White Ice.
Not my idea. Ikaw ha, hindi ka dapat umiinom ng Tad White Ice.
Sarap eh.
San Miguel Pilsen. Walaan niyo kung ilang taon ako nun. I was 2 years old nung unang uminom ako ng beer. And I don't know kung sino nagpainom sa akin. Well, don't judge me, Jaya. My mom raised me well. Siguro ano lang yun, hindi naman parang katuwaan lang. Tapos parang kinukwento din sa akin ng mommy, tsaka ng mommy ko, parang alam ko daw, parang tinuturo ko pa daw kung saan nakatago yung alak kasi nga tinatago nila yung beer. Sabi, hindi meron pa doon, nagtuturo ako kung saan kasi daw gusto ko daw uminom. Pero ngayon, pag painumin mo ako ng beer, parang pait. Ewan ko bakit. I don't know. Anyway, next, what was your first job?
Wala. School lang.
Ha?
School.
Ako, ang first job ko is Parang nagbantay lang ako ng computer shop. Yun, tagabantay ng computer shop ng aking tiyuhin. What was your first car? What was your first car?
Yung frog na laruan. Diba?
Very good! Ayan. Buti pa si Jaya may first car. Ako wala, syempre. Ako yung isang nakilang commutera. Who was the first person to text you today? Of course, wala ka lang kasi wala kang phone. Pero may nag-text ba sa'yo? Wala ka ba phone eh? Syempre si Papa, tinatanong niya kung ano daw bibili niyang ulam.
Who is the first person you thought of this morning?
Jaya! Iniisip ko kung kumain na siya. Kasi nauna siyang gumising kesa sa akin. So, parang inano ko kag na, kumain ka na ba? Parang tinataon akong tanong sa'yo eh.
Si Mama.
Ako talaga. Bakit?
Ay, hindi. Si Kuya Andrew.
Bakit si Kuya Andrew?
Kala ko kasi dadating sila minsan.
Yung service niya yun. Sa school service niya. Okay, next. Who was your first grade teacher?
Ako si Miss Ribbon. Mrs. Ribbon.
Okay. Ang first grade teacher ko ay si Miss Hong. Again, hindi ko maalala kung Miss siya or Mrs. pero nagpapayat siya. Tapos naalala ko pa talagang malinaw na malinaw pa sa isip ko yung face niya kasi mataray siya. Where did you go on your first ride on an airplane?
Bohol. Pumunta ako sa Bohol para mag-vacation lang kami.
Yung first ride ko ng airplane, pumunta kami sa Middle East kasi kinuha kami ng daddy ko. So, yeah, tumira kami doon for some time. Who was your first best friend? And do you still talk?
Si Jaina, kasi hindi ko na siya kinakausap. Hindi ko na siya batiin.
Taray! Bakit naman hindi kayo bati?
Ayoko.
Yung best friend niya, silang dalawa, para silang away-bati. Nakakatuwa nga eh, kasi minsan, yung miss na nila yung isa-isa, tapos biglang mag-aaway, kids, you know. First best friend, sinagot ko na to before eh. My first best friend is my Ate Joyce. Pero if, okay, nagkaroon din ako ng best friend, no? Ang dami. Kasi marami akong elementary, papalit-palit kasi ako ng school. So, every time nalilipat ako ng school, meron ako naiiwan na best friend doon. So, ibig sabihin, yeah. Ay, naalala ko na yung best friend ko nung grade 1, ay grade 2. Yeah, best friend ko yung katabi ko siya sa upuan. Tapos, nilaglag niya ako. Sinumbong niya ako sa na office ako noon. Sinumbong ako nung kaklase ko. Pero, yan na natin siya. Where was your first sleepover?
Kay Mama Joy.
Kana Jared. Yun yung first sleepover niya. Ako, I can't remember. Pero, yung first sleepover ko na naaalala ko is nag-camping kami. Pero ang sleepover na yun ay naganap sa school. I don't know if that counts. What was the first thing you did this morning? I drank coffee. Ikaw. Ano ginawa mo?
Naligo.
Ikaw. Naligo. Okay. What was the first concert you ever went to? I think sinabi ko na rin to, Incubus. Liban sa Incubus, lagi kaming mag-asawa pumupunta sa Red Horse Music Laban. First broken bone.
Wala. Di ko alam.
Do you want to have your first broken bone?
No.
Wala kaming first broken bone. First piercing.
Ano yung piercing?
Yung ear piercing. Earrings. Pareho kami. Ito. First foreign country you've gone to. Yun, like I said, we went to the Middle East. Sige, sabihin ko na, we went to Qatar. How about you?
Ewan.
No, wala pa. Hindi pa siya nakakapunta. First movie you remember seeing?
Wala.
Yung nag-IMAX tayo. Nakalimutan mo na. Yung first IMAX natin. Ano yung pinanood natin?
Yung Cloudy. Hindi ko alam.
Cloudy and the Virgins. Alam ko na. Yung Cloudy and the Virgins. Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. Yung one. Yun yung una niyang pinanood namin sa sine. My first is na naaalala ko is Home Along the Riles, the movie. Tanda ko na, yeah, I know. When was your first detention?
Hindi ako nagde-detention.
She's a good girl. Ako lagi ako nasa detention. Lagi ako ng office. I'm a bad girl. Then, nung, first detention, nung bata ako, hindi naman masyado. Ang hirap sagutin to pag nandito yung anak ko eh. Everything you say will be used against you. Who was your first roommate? Wala. Ako din wala. Kasi hindi naman ako nahiwalay sa parents. Yung siguro question to para sa mga nag-dorm or something. What was the first sport you were involved in? I'm gonna say swimming.
Ako rin.
Yeah. Swimming. Ako naman, volleyball. Sinabi ko na yun before. Volleyball. When was your first kiss?
Siyempre, kay mama at papa.
Okay. Kala ko kailangan mo, gusto mo magka-first broken bone. Itong child-friendly.
Papa.
Oh yeah, si Papa. What was your first learned type of dance?
Kembot.
Kemo? Oo nga, naalala ko yung unang sayaw mo na. Alam mo ka naman unang sinayaw mo na? Yung may commercial nun eh. Pagdating ko sa bahay, babalita sa akin ng yaya niya. Yung sakto. Ano ba commercial yun? Yung may sakto. First learned type of dance.
Tap dancing.
Wow, tap dancing. Wala lang. I don't know. Wala talaga akong masasagot dito sa first learned type of dance.
That's it for our first tag today.
Hope you enjoyed watching. So if you haven't done this, kung meron kayong YouTube channel, do it. Because it's fun, at least for us. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Are you having fun?
Yes. Yes!
Thank you for watching. Bye! Huwag ka masyadong tutok sa cam para kung naninigas.
Ayan, may kakat na yun ni Jaya for donation. Yung sa